Hi guys, it's Taylor Jane. We'll be getting some of my crazy stuffed animals.
I didn't even
and
get to
toys.
watch Doge Lane.
The first one is actually not mine, but it's my brother's, and I think it's really weird and creepy because, like, this arm doesn't
You know
go
what?
down.
I think I'm gonna turn
This
this
arm
egg
doesn't go
into
down,
beer.
and like he puts it in his bedroom, display like this. And he's just like, oh my god,
Guys.
is this in his room tonight?
Official,
This
guys,
is
we're
bad.
officially
Yeah, like a
having
queen bed. So let me go get my other one.
Too late, idea.
That's all right.
I
So this is one of my weirdest
turned
stuffed
into a
animals. It's
fatty
mine.
now. I'm Family Guy.
Like this duck.
Guys, I'm Peter from Family Guy now. I ate too
And that
much
has this little
scrambled eggs.
baby caterpillar on it. This is Piggy. I actually kind of like this one. It's really furry, same with the other one. But there's a caterpillar in its hand. It has this really cute heart.
For me?
And then like
Yes.
boom.
I know
So,
how to use it.
let me go get my.
kind of.
Well, this one's right here, but then I have some other ones. Here, hold on a second.
I'm dead. Are you like a psychopath? Like my friend at school who drank urine?
Especially weird because it like has to go in this corner.
No, my
So
friend
it's
at school
especially weird.
when he was in second
But this
grade,
one
he
isn't
drank
too
urine.
weird. It's this little dragon. This dragon head. It's not just head. It's a whole body.
Look at my
It's a whole
manly
body.
face.
It's just really weird because like I pet it.
This
is the cart one.
What's up with my
The cart
brow
one.
and my nice
So it
hobo
comes-
beard?
So here it is, this monkey with a little kiss on the side. Here. Kiss. And then it comes in this cart with this blanket in it. So you, and I actually put this in here when I was like 4.
Dragon, wait up. Can I come inside?
4, 5, 6, I don't know. I'm one of those stages, but and I never picked it up ever again. So that's one of my weird ones because it just sits in the cart. It just sits in the cart like that. I said sits in the cart like that. So I just go get
Get
my.
me in, Dragon. Michael Myers is out here. Help me, Michael Myers is out here. Oh, you're. Wait for me. Help me, Dragon. Michael Myers is out here.
Oh, guys, I got the next.
He's gonna chop off my man.
I got the next 4. The first one, this is a toy. Sorry for this stuff, but it's kind of like inappropriate for tiny kids. It's a Lala Loopsy. When I was like 4, I got this and I took the dress off it and I tried to put it back on, but I couldn't. I put it the wrong way, first of all. And, you know what's the funny part about this? Underwear. That's why it says kind of appropriate for little ones. Little ones. This one, little ones are absolutely fine with. Minnie Mouse. But, like, she's a baby. She doesn't look anything like Minnie Mouse. It's Disney babies. Someone got this at Disneyland for me. See, this one, this is the one. It's really heavy, but this one's kind of appropriate, but we got. So it's like this. I put a glitter tattoo on her back.
Justin, help!
Right
Help me,
there.
Dragon! I'm dying! I'm dying, Dragon!
See how weird she is?
I'm dying!
But then this one I like, but I just want to, because some of you might
Dragon,
think it's
I'm
kind
gonna
of weird, but I like it.
Dragon!
So it's this cool horse
I'm
that
actually
its
gonna
hair's
die,
kind of like
Dragon!
gel thing, because it came like
Michael
all
Myers killed me, Dragon.
braid, like, but then I put it in pigtails, like I put a little bit of here, like I did that, but then I took it back, and it has like a tail. This is its
Dragon!
I think it should be its hair, but it's not.
Dragon, I
It's
might
actually
have
a
died
funny
from Michael Myers.
Oh, here my other ones are. I'm looking for these. This is a dog. It's really weird because look at the eyes. Dog and like You can.
Dragon, I might have died. I might have died from Michael
You
Myers.
can literally hang from the tail, and the tail's not gonna budge. Then I have this. This is like
Outside.
a dino. A dino. It's really weird. But that's all I have for you today. My brother wants to say goodbyes to you. Kyle, say goodbye. So that's him. So, yeah. He's like, Ark Survival.
You know, Justin, I could sell this on the black market.
He's playing Ark Survival right now. So, yeah. It's a really fun game. But he just said that. Have a good day. Goodbye.